Somebody said, so you mean if Nnamdi Kanu, see, Nnamdi Kanu own no be the same thing with all these boys where they deceive inside bush. If we are not giving forgiveness to Gentle and I Pencil and Co, what makes you think Nnamdi Kanu own is going to cut it? No. There's a difference between those that orchestrated all these bias and those that were deceived into it. Are you understanding me now? Viking deliberator, my brother, will be in Lagos. I have a court case on March 8th. Okay, I have a court case. You know, say my matter with an evangelist. Now March 8th, they come up, the trial, they begin. So I go there. He say, Ijele, if MNK repent, will he be forgiven? I've told you, Nnamdi Kanu, you own don't pass forgiveness. Even devil go reject her. Okay, even devil go reject her. Once again, we are talking about people that were deceived into this nonsense, not those that orchestrated it. There's a huge difference there. You all no follow. One baby virgin, yes, Dubata is one baby virgin's case. You know, say me, I know they talk about the cases based on the judge say but they no talk am. Now them go tell judge say they know how make we they talk about the case, but very soon all those things will be changed. No be trial will they go like this. You can only delay the truth. You cannot close up the truth. You can't shut off the truth forever. I will make a video on it tomorrow. There is a decision I'm going to take this night. So once I take that decision, I want you all to know what's going on, because I want that trial to be on video. Okay? He said March 8th is a Sunday. On March 8th, then give us. So I go ask my lawyer, but me, I know say na March 8th. March 8th na Sunday. March 8th na Sunday. I'm going to, I go to Lagos now. So it's 8th Sunday. Please, guys, help me cross-check. Help me check whether March 8th is Sunday. So we will go and see what's up. You understand? Like I said, I want this case to be on air. You see how Nnamdi Kanu's trial, the judgment, how they take show. No, this one not even judgment. I want the full trial on video. Make everybody use their eyes. You understand? So all those of you, do you attend this of Nwa Baby's church? Okay? You attend this of Nwa Baby Virgin's church. It's good you people see it and hear the real truth. And okay, Sunday is 8. And I say they go adjourn the case now. Okay, Sunday is 8. March 8 is Sunday. Okay. We go no. Like I said, my people. Yes, it's Sunday. Now be said and go change them. But like I said, we are going to make it known to people. If you get, at least all of us saw how everything happened on social media, because not what happened there, we know the social media. So make us know who they lie. Whether not the person where they say you know God, Abimwa baby virgin, a regime master himself, now they lie. Okay? Are you understanding now? So it's good everything will happen in everyone's presence. So if let them all this nonsense where they drag the matter 2 years and the case are not started a trial. 2 years. Now we must get to the root of it. I want to see that judge that will convict me for calling a fake miracle a fake miracle. Jonathan the banner why carry Jonathan the what do they call him? The magic key. It's not 6, it's 8. It's 8 they gave. I will go and cross-check again. Jonathan the padlock man. It's what somebody is going to tell me that I use it to cyberbully. What? Jonathan? A man from choosing? That you said is a native. Laugh now, just they laugh on. Don't worry. And many of you are not aware that that matter is connected to this Biafra nonsense. Yes. I'm happy they took my name to all the places they took me to. And like that, I was an IPOB member. Not this case, if I don't use and write like 2 volumes of book, make I die. I will use it to write 2 volumes of books. Yes. Then let me see who will sue me for writing the truth. And I think say I tell on no be when they cut tree, they wither. That case must go on. They will now come and heal the sick, heal the blind. All those they are miracles. I go compile them. Okay, I go compile all. Let us know who is the person saying the truth and who is lying. You think if I hear cut, I go to shake. We are coming. We are coming. Lagos, March 8th. We will see them. We will meet them. Let them table their own matter. Me, I go table my. Shebi una say na show already reach. You see me, they call show for this case. Because the truth stands on its own, regardless of who is supporting it or not. The truth stands on its own merits. Okay? I still have my grandmother's key. They did bring your padlock. Oh. More na bring on a padlock. So make we see how they go open them. I say we are against every single superstitious nonsense they are using to deceive people. At least let this one show people that there is no miracle anywhere. Okay? There is no miracle anywhere. Somebody say court no be better thing, you know. Yes, nobody wants to go to court, but not when you are trying to make it as if I'm lying. When I'm telling the truth. The truth speaker will never succumb to anybody. So if somebody takes you to court for the truth, you are going to do what? Surrender? No, don't be so then they do them. No, come and explain it well. Come and explain it well. You will explain, at least this one will show on whether miracle do or not. No be so. Wouldn't you want to know? Wouldn't you want to know? Just like this Biafra issue. Wouldn't you want to know if it's real or not? We must test every spirit and see if they are of the Lord. You say, Ijele, let's not divert this. Which program are you diverting? I'm telling you what concerns me. You are telling me divert. Which program am I diverting? Yeah? How is it a diversion? I'm telling you what I'm involved in. What personally affects me, and you are talking about what affects you on my own platform. He says, Ijele, I hope you're able to find someone to come stand out with. Which witness do I need? No, I will play your own voice. You're preaching to you. I don't need any witness. Now you go be witness against yourself. This is a video where you said Jonathan was a native doctor, but Jonathan is a member of choosing. So like I said, the truth stands on its own. Okay? The truth stands on its own. Which witness should they find? Now the person who is saying do miracle, you go put for doc, at least for the first time in Nigeria. Let them dock some of these pastors. Let them answer for themselves. Now he go be witness against himself. So forget. I don't want to say anything yet. Now make that judge do his own finish. Then we'll come and expose the whole truth. The case will not go on for life. No. And the more they stretch it, is the louder the truth will be when people eventually know it. Maybe they say my talk, no, they touch them. Then why stopping me broadcasting what's happening in the court? When our lawyers, no one come give statement again. On our lawyers, no one come make statement again. So forget those things. All right. This one say I should leave the evangelist. Nigeria have too many. Am I the problem of Nigeria? Me and your evangelist get our own personal problem. This has nothing to do with Nigeria. Now, two people, one person lied against the other. So we are going to find out who is lying against the other. Okay? Who is telling you that we are here to solve Nigeria's problem? No, we are here to solve a lie. A 419. We are here to solve a lie. Wouldn't you rather have your miracle worker do his miracle? Yeah? It cannot be that type of miracle. You understand? So somebody to tell me that he can heal the sick. Why? How? Like how? How now? By the amount, they wake up because they will go and tell their judge that I'm talking about. At least let me have evidence of what I said. Well, because of when you go
Anyway,
reach CJ, when you go reach CJ office, because Matana CJ go eventually judge up. Tobo. Go ahead, Ikenga.
okay, Ijele, let me just say this. You see,
Mm.
miracle day. As a Christian, I am. The time and the season of miracle is not over, but it depends. It depends on what you consider miracle. Because if it happened to Onyo Menana will not say a miracle. But if it happened to me as a Christian, I will call it miracle. If it happened to a Muslim, they will call it another thing. If it happened to a Buddhist, they will call it another thing. So my own is this. The time and the season of miracle, it's not over. It can happen, but
Ikenga,
sometimes
see, Ikenga, see. You see, whether you're a traditionalist or a Buddhist or a Muslim, they all call miracle a miracle. Maybe now you don't understand them. But what I'm trying to put to you is that there is nobody in Nigeria that has the power to touch the sick and he will be healed. There is nobody. Hold on. There is no single board person who can touch a rusty padlock and it will open. And you know, I'm being specific. You see, the human body. Human body has a way of healing itself. There are many things human body can do that will shock you. For instance, there is a level of vibration somebody will be on. You see, all these Buddhists and some of all these Zoroastrians, you see them, somebody will be holding fire and it will not burn him. You see someone, he will put his hand over a fire. You yourself no go try him for 5 seconds, but the person will leave him there 1 hour. You will see that the person's body is very warm, but it doesn't affect him negatively. His body temperature will be at par with that fire. They will be at the same wavelength. Not because that thing is happening now. You will not tell me that somebody will touch a padlock and it will open. Or somebody will know what is going on in the lives of thousands of people. No, it is not possible. So when we are talking about miracle, let's not use compound nouns. Let's be specific. Narrow our conversations to the issues at hand. So this one that somebody we pray for you, padlock will open. Oh, he will see that there is somebody inside here, which juju is a bloody lie. That's what I'm telling you.
Ijere, I'm not doubting you. There's a whole lot of fake miracle, but just know it. As a Christian, I am, and a proud one. The time and the age and the season of miracle, it's not over. Now, let me move to another thing someone said here about Ikenga deceiving them. My brother, look, let me tell you something. It's not that I deliberately.
He said, you even they try self to do videos for us. My dear also is back. We have a pursued Umokoko. We have pursued Umokoko from us. You know, say all these places before they get tango everywhere. Now they don't run, they don't clear for their lives. These are where we no go do video. Eh? Why we no go do video there? Like I tell them, make them mention that part of us. And they give me location. I tell you, say na me go come meet you now. Okay? We are going to keep saying the truth and we are going to keep rescuing our people. No amount of the emotional blackmail. Okay? Ijele, their supporters are not commenting again. Why? You're ashamed now. Now shame. Shame no greet them. This is what the way they give them. If now you go greet stand. All the people watching me now, I can guarantee you that over 30% of them are bingos. But shame no, they let them. They find out which one we want talk, which one we go talk, we be lie. How we go take Olam? Being a bingo is not easy. Oh. Being a bingo, imagine waiting on someone to sleep up for you to have something to celebrate. That's not life. Okay? That's not life. Yeah, I'm doing it. Yeah, I'm doing it. When I go there, I go just there, they mess up and down. All of them will say they go do what about a coat to market. I promise you before Saturday you will see us inside a coat. Before Saturday evening, you will see us. I go do video inside a coat. This one, if na information make I could even give the bingos. You either run away or you will die. Eganwu. Eganwu, you go. Okay? Eganwu. Eganwu. Lilu, don't worry. Lilu operation is still in view. Okay? Lilu operation is still in view. We are going to do that one too. Just relax yourself. They are going to receive it hot for that side. Let me see who is sending a request. Ijele, I never hear goats cry since you got. They don't chop people goat finish. Like
Ijele.
one welcome.
Ask him, man, now since you do no leba no eh. Anu be ebe ewu na ebe akwa ka na ha enweghị ewu ebe a.
Atari ene hewu ndị mmadụ. Atari ene hewu ndị mmadụ. Atari ene hewu ndị mmadụ. Ọbụ ọkụ egwuregwu.
Because I meche ka nnu ka ewu be.
Ọbụ ọkụ egwu. Ewu dịzi nnọọ ka this thing here now.
Lion.
Ewu dịzi ka endangered species. Ewu bụ endangered species ebe nke anụ a.
Nna m ka
they go here way. They never see something. Hey, somebody said, but how are you being funded? It's too risky. But funding who? You think we are not doing this is for the fund? Okay. If we are doing it for the funding, that means we have to work for the politicians. And me and you know, the politicians not ready to stop this thing. So now it's up to you and I. You don't know the power we have. You don't know the power you and I have. If we come together, there are things we can do. Most of the things you're expecting the government to do for you, ask yourself, have they done any work? So now we go to do them ourselves. Somebody say, you sure say after this one, say Nigeria don't go back to airport before we are. Like, it's the same thing we are saying. If people from various zones in Nigeria are going to take seriously the issues of their security, believe me, that how can strangers come to your place and take it over? It's because of the silence of the indigenous. You understand? You understand me? So we should expel fear. We should expect fear. Expel it. Are you understanding me? OJ Glow said he can't go Rago. You push this struggle and deceive so many people. Let's assume Ikenga used his mouth to push them into that place. That he is not telling you to come out. If you blame him for making people join, how about blaming those people from not hearing the same person where he tells them to leave? On a light trouble.